Hello, my name is Daniel Villalobos and I will be talking about waves. I will be focusing more in Wi-Fi waves. This type of waves are important because we use them every day but don't really understand them. Wi-Fi is an energy field that is transmitted by waves. They always have to be at a certain height and certain distance in order for them to work. Wi-Fi stands for Wireless Local Area Network. Through my video, I will be explaining these 10 important vocabulary terms. Wi-Fi, which was already defined, electromagnetic spectrum, frequency band, routing processor, 2G, 3G, 4G, Mbps, router, gigahertz range, and hotspot. Wi-Fi is a type of wave that travels through a frequency band. A frequency band is a series of acoustic, radio, and spectral frequency ranges that begin where the one that follows ends. It travels through the frequency band of the electromagnetic spectrum. This defines as the range of wavelengths or frequencies where electromagnetic radiation extends. Wi-Fi waves are longer than radio waves but smaller than microwaves. They are in the middle of both. Wi-Fi transmits waves through the gigahertz range. Basically, the gigahertz range is the range that transmits gigahertz, which is a measurement of electromagnetic wave frequencies, which equal 1 billion hertz. Wi-Fi is transmitted through an antenna that cuts this frequency band into various segments. An important thing to understand is hotspot. Hotspot is a term and a place or area where Wi-Fi is available. The same term is used for private place like your home than a public place like your restaurant. The wave speed is from 5 to 20 million bits per second. The wavelength is from 3 to 5 inches from crest to crest, and the frequency works from 2.4 gigahertz to 5 gigahertz as total. An important factor for Wi-Fi is what we know as 2G and 3G, as well as 4G, which we use every day but don't really know the difference. 2G is the second generation cellular technology. This allowed voice calls and limited data transitions. Then came 3G, where it concentrated on making higher and greater voice easier and also data capacity. Finally, 4G, which is what we mostly use today, is concentrated on the security of the customer and the quality, speed, and capacity of internet. My lab number 1 consists on how a router works. A router is a device that turns internet connection into Wi-Fi signal. What happens inside a router is that it is an output port. This output port processes the information and takes it to the switching fabric. It has a routing processor, which routing processor conducts network management functions and has the data. This takes the data to the input port that sends the Wi-Fi signals, giving devices Wi-Fi. By conducting my lab, I tested my internet next to my room and behind the door, specifically the download and upload in Mbps. Mbps is the unit of measurement for the bandwidth. Each megabit is equal to 1 million bits. These are the different internet speeds I got. To conclude, it is clear that Wi-Fi is more than we thought it would be. It is a wave that travels through the electromagnetic spectrum, which needs many details in order to work in perfection and without disruptions. Now we get the idea of why they keep inventing different things on our phone, like 2G, 3G, and 4G. They actually have a really good importance. Finally, Wi-Fi is transmitted through antennas that come in our routers to eventually get to our devices.